Hi everyone, this is Joe with Zero Software. I just want to take a couple of minutes to go over the form that we've built to go along with the CDC's cleaning and disinfecting decision tool. So on the left, you'll see the PDF of that decision tool, and on the right is my mobile device with iPhone pulled up and the form that we built to match the PDF. So let's pull up the form here. And at the top, you'll see basically just a little bit of guidance where it gives you the different cleaning and disinfecting. It's the same thing that's over here on their PDF. And then we can hop down to the first question, which is this area indoors? If you hit yes, you're going to be taken to another question. If you were hit no, what you're going to do is be given some guidance on how to clean the surfaces. So let's go back. We'll hit yes. Has the area been occupied within the last 7 days? Again, if we hit no, you're going to get a message saying that it hasn't been occupied in the last 7 days and that there will only need routine cleaning. But if you hit yes, you'll get another follow-up question. Is it a frequently touched surface or object? Again, if you hit no, what it's going to do is recommend that you set up a schedule for routine cleaning and disinfecting. If you hit yes, there's going to be one more follow-up question. Basically, what type of surface is it? Is it a hard surface? Is it a soft surface? So we're going to hit hard surface so we can see the instructions here that tell you the disinfectants, and also you're going to get a list of what the EPA has approved as disinfectants for use against COVID-19. So if you were to click on that, what it's going to do is going to take you to their webpage, which will give you a list of all those disinfectants. So we go back. If we were to pick soft, you're just going to get more guidance on how to clean those surfaces. So you'd hit submit when you're done, and what this is going to do is allow you to basically track and monitor, depending on if you're doing this decision tool daily or weekly or monthly, however often you'll have a record of the results of those tests. So I appreciate you guys listening. Have a great rest of your day.